Hi, I'm Chris, and in this week's tip of the week, I want to talk a little bit about AP exam testing and strategies for approaching AP exams. So today kicks off AP exam week number 1, and a lot of students, when preparing for AP exams, they're very aware of the percentage needed in order to get a passing score of a 3 or even a 4 or a 5. But sometimes I think that gets forgotten on the exam itself. So in terms of your strategy for approaching the exam, just keep in mind, percentage-wise, it's a very different mindset that you want to have as a test taker compared to most tests that you take in school. In class, if you get a 65% on an exam, you feel like maybe you didn't do your best. A 65% is not going to get you a good grade on that test. But on an AP exam, for a lot of AP exams, a 65% or above gets you a 5 on that exam. So it's really important when you're taking the exam itself to keep that in mind. And in terms of time management, make sure that if there's a question that you don't know, rather than spending a lot of time trying to figure out how to do that question or trying a bunch of different approaches, that time can be better utilized making sure that you're maxing out and getting the points on the material that you do know in order to get up to that 65% or above and try to get yourself a 5 on that exam. So just keep in mind, when it's AP exam week, if anything, you want to think of it going in as the pressure's off, because a 65% is a good score, and you probably know 65% of the material that you covered this year. So the exam is really just your opportunity to show what you know and hopefully get that score of a 5 or a 4 or a 3 and get that credit for having taken that AP class. For more, please feel free to check out our other tips of the week, and thanks for watching.